that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Hello, lovelies. You are welcome to my channel. My name is Emily, and my daughter is Tiara. She is 2 years old. If you are visiting us for the first time, you are most welcomed. Please don't forget to subscribe to be part of our wonderful family. Please also click on the notification button so that you can always be the first to be notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you for subscribing in advance. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Today, another natural hair remedy is here, guys. And this particular one we are making today is going to be specially and specifically prepared for the treatment of itchy scalp, breakage, dandruff, dry hair, stubborn hair growth deficiency, hair loss, darkening of the hair, softening, moisturizing, and conditioning. Oh wow, I can't believe all these are in just one. So, guys, we are going to be needing lemongrass, onions juice, olive oil, and hair wonder. Lemon juice helps to strengthen your hair follicles. It is one of the best options for your hair growth. It also eliminates itchy scalp. Hair wonder is specially good for all hair types. It is made with 100% natural oils, herbs, and shea butter.
About the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Olive oil is also very good for nourishing and conditioning your hair. It soothes the scalp, prevents damaged hair, and hair breakage.
All I need are some better days, cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
I'm going to go ahead, use it to wash my daughter's hair and get it ready for the remedy we just finished preparing. This is to enable the remedy to penetrate very well into her hair and perform all the functions we've already mentioned above. While doing this, allow the combo we just finished preparing to cool down.
big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's fast.